Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a new type of candle or a new way to break down candles in your trading using an open source script everyone can use on TradingView, the LTF Activity Heatmap by Lux. So I'm going to load it up on our chart here. Now we can see that the chart is kind of messy at the moment. What I've done, I've gone into the settings, I've changed the lines, I've made them totally transparent, and I am on the Bitcoin daily chart to use as an example. And then the LTF time frame, we need to select a time frame lower than the time frame we're currently on, because this indicator goes onto those lower time frames. It looks at the volume and the activity, and then it puts it onto this chart and it breaks candles down into activity from a lower time frame. So I've selected the 4-hour chart here. Now, let's hide our regular candles because they're cluttering our chart. If we hover over our symbol, click the eye symbol, there, we just have a plain chart. Now, as I previously mentioned, these candles break themselves down into where volume was occurring during that candle. So, for example, on this candle, there was a particular high concentration of volume towards, or trading activity towards the bottom of the candle. So, things like this are very useful for knowing when to take profit or when the market is trending or when there's a lot of interest in the market. So we can see this candle here, this nice dark candle. So let's say we were in a long position and we see this candle. We see it's very dark color and there's no real significant bright spots on this candle. It's a dead candle. It's a boring candle. So if we were in a long position, we could imply, or we could discover that, hey, like the market participants are getting bored. They don't want to enter anymore. There's not a lot of interest at these levels because it's a totally dead, dull candle. So we exit our long here, and then of course, yes, look, the price does start to come down. This indicated, hey, there's not many people interested in the market. We got a little push, but really the momentum ran out at that point. Then let's look at this example on the Bitcoin weekly chart. So Bitcoin started to top off around 67k. Then we come down and we saw this candle with a long lower wick, and people saying, oh, this long lower wick really indicates the market's gonna reverse. But let's load up the activity heat map and hide this and see what it's actually revealing. Well, we see there was a lot of sell volume, of course, on this big red candle. So we see a lot of activity towards the bottom of the candle. But then we see this totally dark, despondent, depressing candle. So this is basically revealing, hey, there really has been no kickback from buyers or the bulls in the market. Like, there really was no activity. There was no, hey, the bulls never stepped in and said, hey, we got to push this high, or hey, we're interested. The market continued to slowly fizzle out. We get another fairly dark candle, no yellow spots in here, no high levels of trading activity, and it just signifies, hey, no one's really interested in this. We get a little bit of activity on this candle towards the top of the candle. That could have been a lot of selling volume. And if we actually load up this chart, we see this occurs between these candles. So there was a lot of interest around that level. But in general, it just fizzles out. Another dark candle. No one's really interested. And then we continue going down, because this basically signified, hey, no one's stepping into the market. So we wouldn't really have got excited at that time in the market. So hopefully this video has shown you how to use the LTF activity heat map. It's really, really useful for breaking down candles into their lower components and analyzing volume on a lower time frame. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see me cover next.